Africa's next big player arrives at the wicket, AB de Villiers.
We learn, prepare for a challenge that's in front of us.
He's in good form.
We excel, triumph, grow confident in our home, our backyard, that has taught us a great deal. But then, sometimes the lessons we've learned may prove null and void.
And England are climbing all over South Africa. AB de Villiers joins the list. Through him! And through him!
A new challenge arises, a new, bigger stage to test our learnings. And on these tougher grounds, when we learn, unlearn, and relearn, the tables start to turn in our favor.
AB de Villiers walking in at number 5.
Even if the odds are against us, that's when we fly, dominate, and rise beyond expectations.
An innings befitting of a historical facility. AB de Villiers, the South African captain, 162 from just 66 deliveries.